Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this lovely hanging basket out of paper and a little thread. The tools you'll need for this lovely project is a puncher, the threads, the glue, preferably a hot glue gun, stapler, paper, ruler, scissors, and you. Yes, you. The size of the paper is the larger paper that will be at the back is 3 by 6 inches, and the smaller paper that will be at the front will be 2 by 6 inches. After you cut your paper out, you're gonna punch them out. Whatever decoration you have, of course, you will punch it until it looks something like this, or hopefully it will look better, because as you can see, I did not do justice to this piece of paper. I was hurrying and I was tired and it was night. Yeah. Staple it together, and if it is too hard to staple both papers together, you can either glue them together or staple the black first, or the larger color that you will be putting at the back, and then you staple the other paper on it. When you're finished, you hot glue gun the edges and seal it on a bottom. I do mine like this and then cut it out around the edges. You can do the same or cut it out first or whatever, and it will look like this when you're finished. Throw some butterflies at the sides and crochet thread around the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, because I need it more than you.